Creating a React app is now easier than ever before. With the help of Vite, you'll be able to easily create a React app in no time. Instead of just typing npm create React app, you can go for typing npm create Vite at latest. Initially, it is going to ask you for the project name. By default, Vite-project is going to be the project name. If you're okay with that, you can just hit enter. Or if you want to give your project a custom name, then you can type in the name for your project. Let me type my app. Secondly, it is going to ask you to select the framework. You can go for selecting vanilla JavaScript, Vue, or create a React project. For this tutorial, let me select React. And I am okay with the TypeScript variant. With this, we have successfully created a React project with the help of Vite. Now let's try to open the project and run it. Here we have our project up and ready. Let's type npm I in order to install the dependencies. And in order to run your React project, all you need to do is type in the command npm run dev. Which is going to start your local development server, and you can just follow this link. Here we have a React project up and running. So this is basically how you can create a React project with the help of Vite. Basically, this Vite is going to speed up your development process of creating a React app. It also comes with plenty of other advantages and features. For more such awesome React tutorials, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I will see you again in the next one.